Hi Camp Manual, John Hancock. My name is Cailyn Strati, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fortune tellers. You're going to need a couple materials for today's project. One of the materials you're going to be needing is some paper. You are going to need a pen or pencil, a pair of scissors, and 4 crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Now that you have your materials, let's begin. The first thing you are going to need to do is grab your piece of paper, and you want to face it tall. So the first thing you're going to do is take your corner and fold it to the top. This is a big step to make your fortune teller. Now you're going to grab your scissors and see this piece right here. We are going to be cutting that piece off. There we go. And after you have this paper, you can just throw it away. So now you can put your scissors away. You do not need your scissors. So now that you have something that looks like this, you want to face your crease the tall way, and you want to take this edge to the tippity top. And then crease it, and it should look something like this. And you should see how it looks like this. You are going to take your corner and put it to the middle, and you're going to do that with each corner for your fortune teller. Okay, now that you have completed doing this, you are going to turn your fortune teller over, and you can look at the back, and you should have 4 squares. And if you do not have 4 squares on your fortune teller, then rewind the video and start again. Now that you have 4 squares, you want to take your corner and put it to the top. And you want to do that with each one of your corners. I will show you how it looks in a second. So this is what it looks like. So now that you've completed it, you're going to look on your back of your fortune teller, and it should look like these, and your flap should be coming up. Now your next step is going to be to fold it like so and really give it a crease. And now you are going to try to push these. So this is the hardest part of the process. You want to get these up, and then it stays. And this is, so you want to really like push them in there. So I have my thumbs in here right now, inside of the fortune teller. So you want to do that on both sides. And then this is a good part to ask a friend to help you, or your parent. So you want them to so I'm just going to use my pen right now. And you want to make sure that it's not clicked on, and you want to push it in, and then hold it how it is, and get your fortune teller up. It's normally one that doesn't want to get pushed up, and then there you go. So now this step is going to be optional. You are going to grab your scissors, and you can just put a little hole in the bottom if you'd like. Just a little hole. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really tell. And now your fortune teller should move a little easier. So now that you've completed with that, we are going to start to decorate. So you are going to grab your 4 colors, and you are going to unfold your fortune teller so you're going back a step. Excuse me. And you are going to grab your crayon, and you are going to color your fortune teller boxes. You can color them however you'd like. So how I'm going to be coloring them is I'm going to be coloring half of it solid, and then I'm going to be writing what color it is on the other side. Let me just finish doing that. You'll need your pen for this step too, if you're writing what color it is. I'll be right back when I am done decorating. Now I've finished coloring in my squares, so it looks like this. So now you are going to flip your fortune teller, and you can see these boxes. So you're going to be writing your numbers. You're going to be writing numbers on the flaps of these fortune teller, So you're going to be writing numbers here, 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 and here. So I recommend not writing numbers over 30, and you will see why in a second. So let's write our numbers. Let's write 3, 5, 10, 16, 12. Let's do a high number. So let's do 15, and then we'll do 20 and 1. So now that you've completed doing this, you're going to open up your fortune teller, and we are going to write fortunes. So I'm gonna use my pencil for this step, just in case I make a mistake. So for my first fortune, I'm going to write, "You will be lucky today." Okay, now that I've completed writing my fortune, I'm going to do it on all of my other tabs, and I will be right back when I have completed that. Okay, so I'm back, and I have finished writing my fortunes inside of my fortune teller, and I think they look really good. If you want to copy my fortunes, you're welcome to, but I definitely recommend writing your own fortune so it becomes your own unique fortune teller. So now you're going to fold in all your triangles like so, and fold this one in, and fold these ones in. So now we're going to be learning how to use our fortune teller, and I'll have an assistant coming soon. So let's learn how they're going to work. So say my assistant picks yellow correctly. So I'd go YELLOW. Then I'd look inside and pick a number. Say he picks 1. We're gonna go 1, and then say he picks 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to ask him to pick one more number. So this is what it's going to look like to him. Say he picks 20 correctly. We're going to lift this flap up, and we're going to read him his fortune. This one says, "Sunny days are ahead." So let me go and grab my assistant. And here is my assistant. So I am going to be doing the fortune teller on him. Pick a color. Red. R-E-D. Pick a color. Number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Pick another number. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Pick a number. 15. Let's see what your fortune is. You will be hungry in 15 minutes.
I'm already hungry though.
Thank you, Camp Manulife's John Hancock. Bye.